Final stickers today. Easy fix. You ever had a situation where you got a car and some of the rubbing or the buttons have the rubbed off and you don't really know what it is? It's just annoying for me. So you simply go on to Amazon or eBay, buy these stickers, and you just clean them off with alcohol and you simply erase them. You know, just be careful. You don't have to do. Just don't rush it. Match the front. I found. They say use a toothpick to hold it, but if you use gloves, that's the best way to go. Don't do it without gloves because the oils from your hands will keep it from sticking. If you match these front two, the rest should. See, I messed up there. It's off slightly. Use a razor to peel off. Now, if it's really stuck, you can get a hair dryer or a heat gun. Kind of brush it past it, and then it'll allow you to put it on properly. So I'm gonna try this again. It's even worse. Anyway, that's what you do. So just do it step by step. You don't want to do it too much because it'll start sticking onto the back and you'll need an adhesion promoter.
Girl, stay on the grass, please.
Make it stick. That was close, but no dice.
It's because you're on camera.
Yeah, probably. At this point, I'm gonna get some adhesion promoter, but I'm gonna try one more time. It's still sticking.
Wow.
Now that was perfect. You know, the truth is, if you came here, you would not be able to tell that that was a sticker. So you got this whole set. You do the same thing for the others. So make sure you know what's what. All I have is this left, and I'm good. So if I ever wanted to use it for these others, I'd be good to go. And I think this is the power button. So I'm gonna do that, and we're done. Signing out. Product. Not bad. Not bad at all.